1, 2, da 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 da. The intro is always the hardest part. Like, I don't even know what to say. Here we go again. Hey guys. Oh God, I hate that. Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Kiara and this is my channel, Hey Key. If you are a current subscriber, hey you guys, welcome back. I haven't done one of these videos in so long, and I was super excited about this collection, so you already know what I'm talking about. You click the link in the bio, so you already know. I ordered Jackie Aina's new candle collection, Your Sign to Shine, something like that. It's like based off astrology and zodiac signs and all that good stuff. I actually have like my name right here. Well, my zodiac sign right here. Got that right there. All the Virgos, you know, earth signs, whatever. But anyway, I was so excited to try this collection. I haven't done a review for Forever Mood in a while. I think the last one I did was about a year ago when I did the unboxing for the Valentine's collection. So if you haven't seen that, I'll link it right here. Go ahead and check that video out. But yeah, so I am super excited. The box came today. I did not open it. I just opened this box because it'll be easier for the unboxing. If you've seen any of my unboxing videos for dupes, candles, whatever, I struggle unboxing packaging on camera. I don't know what it is, but I struggle. So again, I did not smell anything. This is going to be the first look, first scent, like right off the rip of smelling these candles. So here we are. This is the box right here. I got the mini set. I always get the mini set just so I can try them all out. And then if I really like it, I'll go back and get the bigger candle. Here we go. So this is the candle box right here. Okay, so it came in like this cute little covering. Like the boxes prior to this, they never had like this cute little covering, so I really do like this touch right here. And this collection is called Your Sign to Shine. So there it is. Can you see? My camera does not want to zoom in, but we're gonna make this bad boy zoom in. So just right off the back, I love, love, love the packaging. Like the packaging is so cute. Like this is so, so pretty. So this literally just slides off, but it's a little, oh, it was like a little snug on here, but that's totally fine. And then it has like the 4 scents right here. So if you know anything about astrology, you have the 4 elements. So you have earth, air, water, and fire. Yep. I don't have any fire placements in my birth chart. Well, in my big 3. Well, maybe my big 6 too. I don't know, but I don't have no fire. But anyway, so right here, this is like all the names of the candles. And it's like, it'll let you know like the notes and everything right here. So let's see. It says, must have been the wind. So this has to be for the air signs. And this says, girl, this font is so small, Jackie. I am struggling. And I have my contacts in. I am struggling trying to read this. So must have been the wind. It says breathe life into the Naomi Campbell, Lisa Lefty Lopez, Serena Williams, Beverly Johnson, and you. So that's like the inspo for must be the wind. Air signs. Okay. And then the next one is Chasing Waterfalls. When Jackie like posted a TikTok, or was it an Instagram reel, and she was doing like her face routine, and then I saw the Chasing Waterfalls candle, I was like, we have a new collection coming. And here it is, Chasing Waterfalls. So this has to be water signs. So it says, breathe in the, I look real special right here. Do not judge me in the comments. It's really hard to read. It's like really, really small. And then it's like this really pretty font, so it's just really hard to see. It says, breathe in the, ooh, Jesus. Breathe in the something of Lil' Kim, Solange, Rihanna, and Lisa Bonet. Okay, I want to smell like a little Rihanna. Okay. Breathe in the air, maybe? I don't know. I can't read that word. If y'all know what to say, let me know. I can't see it. The next one is Burning Bridges. So this has to be for the fire signs. And it says Mariah Carey, Diana Ross, Beatles, Whitney Houston, Tina Turner, okay. And then last but not least, you have your lovely earth signs. And then it says, I can't see that first word. I don't know what it says. It says something with the Beyonce, the Aaliyah, the Janet Jackson, the Grace Jones in you. Okay? There we go. So these are the inspos. These wonderful women are the inspos for the collection of the elements. There we go. Well, like famous women of these elements. There you go. There we go. All right. So let's take this off. Okay. So I smell stuff, but I really can't, it's not really like overbearing, so I really don't know what's going on. I smell a little something, but I can't really tell what's going on with it. So, I don't know, can't really smell much. But I just love the packaging. Once again, it's Forever Moon, your sign to shine. And it has like the little astrology right here with the stars and the constellations and all that. And it's very, very soft. It's like this smooth, soft finish. So I really do like that. The packaging is A1. Love it. And then it also says open to get lit. It says it's like on every collection, open to get lit. So let's do it. All right, so open that. There we are. Here are the candles. I just want to say I love the colors. Like it's like perfect for spring. Like I love like these pastel colors. Like I'm probably gonna keep these once the candles are gone because I just love it. Like it's perfect. The packaging is phenomenal. Like I love this. Okay, so let's get into water signs. Let's get into chasing waterfalls. Okay, so when I was trying to get it out, I dug my nails in it and like I actually like, I don't know if the camera will pick it up. But yeah, like I scraped it a little bit trying to pull it out the packaging. So just right off the back, it smells really good under my nails. And actually it kind of matches my nails. So this is beautiful. This is so cute. Anyway, it matches my nails. I love it. This smells really good. It smells clean. Let's see what the notes are. But this smells like really, really clean. So I would definitely like this in my bathroom or even my bedroom. Like this, like if you just clean up or you're just doing like your skincare routine, something like that, you just have this going. Yeah. This smells really, really good. I really can't describe it though. What's in here? Okay, so the top notes for Chasing Waterfalls is bergamot, watermelon, lily of the valley. The heart is amethyst, orchid, magnolia, lavender, rosewood, and then the base is sandalwood and vanilla. Okay, I do smell vanilla in here. This smells so clean. Like I really do like this. Like this is perfect for your bathroom. Like if you just cleaned your bathroom and you just want to give yourself like a little facial or something, this is what I envision when I smell this. It smells like really, really good. And then I also want to say, like, this is what I've noticed with Jackie's candles. Like, when you just smell them, like, fresh out the box, they smell good. But when you actually light them, it's like they transform and, like, they smell even better. So I need to really clean up my house and light this and check it out because I know for a fact this is going to smell even better once I light it. Ooh, Chasing Waterfalls. Perfect. I like that one. The next candle we're going to do is Must Have Been the Wind. So let's see what these air signs talking about. I don't really like air signs. I mean, y'all cool like on the... that's for another video another day. I done scraped it again. I keep scraping my candles, Lord. Okay, so this one is very, very subtle. I really can't make from this one. It's very, very subtle. Let me try one more time. Is it like there may be some citrus in here? I really don't know. Let's see. There's no citrus in here. Okay. Yeah, it's very, very subtle. It's very faint. I really can't make what's in this candle. This one is, the top notes is blackberry, peach. The heart is pansy, violet, jasmine. So it's like a very floral candle scent. And then the base is raspberry, vanilla, patchouli, and musk. So this one is very, very faint. Like, this is really hard for me to smell this one. So I may have to light this one and then check it out and see how this one is. Because I really can't smell this one. I don't know. But I bet, like, as soon as I light it, I bet this is going to smell phenomenal. As soon as I light it, I'm already knowing. Because, like, I don't know. Like, that's what I've noticed with her candles. Like, as soon as you light them, it's like they transform. You can smell, like, every little note as it, like, burns down. You can smell everything that's listed on the box. So yeah, I'm definitely going to light this one because I cannot pick it up. So it's a lot of floral in here, so I know it's like a lot of floral. It's like a fruity floral candle. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have to put this in my front room and just check it out. The next candle we're going to smell is finally the beautiful earth signs, and it is called Not Down to Earth. So I am excited. Let's see what earth smells like. Because you know, we the best. We just perfect. We just perfect in our own little ways. Okay. So the next one we have is Not Down to Earth. Okay. Let's see. I like this candle. It smells like earth. It smells like, when I smell this, I just envision like a lot of tall grass, like in the valley or the hills or something. Like olive oil, like, I don't know, like an olive farm or something. This smells really, really clean. It's very subtle, but it's very clean. It just reminds me of like nature, like just being in nature, okay? Just being in nature, okay? I like this. Okay, what's in, let's see what's in this one. So this one has fear needle, so it's like a tree. Okay, I got that. Eucalyptus. I'm probably gonna smell that once it burns down. Okay, then we got a slight citrus in here. The heart has clove, cinnamon, ginger, apple, basil. I cannot wait to burn this. Okay, and then the base is vanilla, sandalwood, patchouli, tonka. I still don't know what tonka is, but clearly I like the scent of tonka because a lot of her candles have, I noticed a lot of her candles do have like a tonka or like a vanilla base, and most of the candles that I really, really enjoyed had that tonka base to it. And it says the throw for this one is bold. So I didn't even see that at the bottom. Like, it lets you know the throw for all of the candles. So the throw is basically like the scent, like how strong it is. So they're saying this one is strong once you light it. So I'm excited to smell that. The first two, they're both rated moderate, so maybe that's why I really couldn't smell it. Like, it's like I smelled something, but it wasn't too much for me. And then last but not least from this collection, we're gonna do the Burning Bridges. So let's see what the fire signs is talking about. Okay, so I just got like a little whiff as soon as I took it out of the box. So let's see what burning smells like. Burning Bridges smells like. Oh, it's like lemon. It's like citrusy. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's citrusy. Okay, let's see what's in this candle. So the top, oh, it's grapefruit. I love grapefruit. Some people don't like grapefruit, but I'm telling you, let's cut it, get a big juicy grapefruit, cut it in half, cut it in like little sections of 4, and put salt on it. It's gonna change a lot. But anyway. The top note is grapefruit, lemon, pineapple, bergamot. I like all of it. The heart is peppermint and jasmine, and something called cassis. Don't know what it is. And then the base is vanilla musk, and this has a moderate throw as well. It definitely has this is moderate. I can smell this. I would think this is a bold throw, but either way, boy. With the citrusy scent, I would think I would want to put this in my bathroom, but honestly, I would put this anywhere in my apartment. Like, This smells really good. I have the 4 candles, and let's see. I want to say out of all of the candles, I think my favorite would be Not Down to Earth, for the earth signs, of course. Burning Bridges for the fire, and then Chasing Waterfalls for the water signs. As far as the air, I don't like air signs, I don't like y'all, and I can't smell this candle, so see, this is a sign I should stay away from air signs. It's a sign. Yeah, I really can't smell this. I'm gonna have to burn this. But yeah, right off the bat, I am impressed with this collection. It's very soft, very clean, and I just love like the whole concept of astrology and like the elements. I love that concept, and it's like very, very trendy on TikTok right now. Like everybody's an astrologist. I don't know how, but anyway, I like it. I like all of the candles except for the air. The air one must have been the wind. I like everything except must have been the wind. It's really just I just can't smell it. Like if I was in the store, I would walk right past it because I can't smell it. That's all. Like I don't smell anything. Would I recommend this collection? If you're into astrology and you like Jackiana and you love brown candles, yes, I really do. Minis retail for $50. I'll put like all the information in the description box below. But yeah, this was about $50 without tax and shipping, of course. And it came within a week. It actually came a day earlier. It was supposed to arrive. I was actually supposed to get this package tomorrow, but it came today. This is actually this is record breaking. This is the first time that I've recorded I really don't record videos as soon as I get product. Like for all my dupe unboxings, I wait like a couple days before I record. But I was super excited to review these candles and get this video out as soon as possible. Like this was supposed to come tomorrow, which is April 1st. Yeah, this was supposed to arrive in my house on April 1st, but today is March 31st, and it came a day early, so the shipping was like about a week. Not bad. Awesome. I got it. I'm happy. The packaging is phenomenal, and I love the concept for these candles. So again, everything will be in the description box below. This video is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, and I'm very happy with the purchase. I'll have everything in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have not subscribed, do not hesitate to subscribe.